I'm trying to drink more tea, but when I open this up, they're all mixed together, and it's so frustrating, and I hate going through the box like this. Until today. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might have tea like this. Maybe you're trying to drink more tea. This is actually Stash. I think this is an Amazon brand or something like that. Little tea packets right here, and they come in these boxes, and it's not always easy to find exactly what you want, and especially if you have guests over. You want something a little bit more frou-frou, a little bit more high class, a little more bougie to show them what teas you have available, and so I picked this up because I thought this might sort it, make it a little bit more classy and, a little bit more homey, and yet not break the bank. In fact, this was one of the cheapest little tea boxes I could find. It says thanks, HTB. And this is a little wooden box. Oh man, it is in there tight. All right, and nicely packaged, all wrapped in plastic. It's exactly the way I was born. And this is a nice looking little box. I don't know what this is made out of, but HTB, laser engraved on the side here. It's kind of nice and smooth. It's pretty light. I don't know if that's bamboo or something, but I don't know. Kind of looks nice. But what we have here is a little tiny box with little handles on the side so you can put your teas out. And so if I were to put this box right here and start sorting these, look at this. That is the perfect size for these teas. So I could take some that are of the same flavor here, put them all together here. I'm going to fast track this for you. Alright, I got all the teas in here, pretty much the whole thing. Actually, I just have a few left that I didn't want to cram in there. And so you can see, now I can put out the tea packets, let people go through them. I can also kind of find my favorite ones quickly by their color. So, woohoo! Try this one. Oh, sunny orange ginger. Oh, gingers are the hottest, despite them having no soul. Listen, this is a really nice little cheap way to present your tea packets so that you can find them, maybe show off how cultured and upscale your home is. So if you want to pick up this cheap little tea bag holder, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.